So welcome to the video. In this video, we will talk about the symmetric tree problem. So given a root node, we have to check whether the given tree is symmetric or not. So what do you mean by symmetric? When the left subtree is mirror image of the right subtree, then this means that the tree is symmetric. So we need to check whether the given tree is symmetric or not. So let's dive into the problem now. So, I have no code written here, so I want you people to get used to the way I think. So, this might help you in recursive problems as well. So, like I am also thinking and doing now itself. So even I don't know the solution to this, or I am not looking at the code and writing the code here. So let's analyze the things. So okay, so the first step in any basic tree problem is we have to check whether the root is null or not. So let's check whether the root is null or not. So if the root is null, what we need to do? So we need to return true, because uh, root is null means that the tree is not present at all. So, like you may consider that as also symmetric part only. Okay, so it might be false also. I don't know, but let's check out. Let's check out. Okay, so if the root is null, then we are returning true. And okay, so now the other case is if the root is not null. Okay, else if the root is not null, then we will check the left. Okay, so we have to check whether the left subtree is symmetric with the right subtree. Okay, so okay, return check. Okay, return check of root star left and root star right. Okay, so now we will try to write the code for this check function, which takes two arguments, two nodes. Okay, so it also returns a boolean. So check, it takes it. Okay, so it takes struct node star t1 and struct node star t2. Okay, it takes two arguments. Okay, the first thing we need to check is that if both are null. So that means only if root is present and its left subtree is equal to null and its right subtree equal to null. So if both are null and only if the root is present, then it is symmetric. So the base case is like if t1 equal to null as well as t2 equal to null. So what we should do? We should return true, right? Okay. So there are four possibilities now. What are the four possibilities? That t1 might be equal to null and t2 might not be equal to null. T1 might not be equal to null and t2 might be equal to null. Both t1 and t2 can be null, and also both t1 and t2 may not be equal to null. So we need to analyze four things now. Okay, so one is null, the other one is not null, and then if both are null and if both are not equal to null. Okay, so let's do it step by step. Okay, so generally the thing is like if t1 equal to null and if t2 is not equal to null, or the other way around, then directly we can say that the tree is not symmetric, because if one is present and the other is not present, then the mirror image will not be symmetric. So we could say that if t1 not equal to, okay, we'll write down the cases. Okay, else if t1 not equal to null and t2 equal to null, then definitely we should return false, because the tree will be unsymmetric. Now else if t1 equal to null and t2 not equal to null, In this case also the tree will not be symmetric, so we should return false. Okay, and the other case is when both are not equal to null. Okay, now this is very important case. Now see, if t1 and t2 both are not equal to null, the first step we need to check is whether the values of t1 or t2 are same. So this is the first step. Okay, so if t1 star arrow data equal to t2 arrow data, so if the values present in t1 and t2 are same, then what we can do is we will check the left. We will check now. This is very important. This is very important. We will, okay, so bool some l equal to check the, we will check the t1 left subtree. We will check the t1 left subtree with the t2 right subtree. Okay, since this is a mirror image, this is not like, if two tree pointers, if two tree nodes are given, then it's not like asking if both the trees are same or not. Here it's only one tree given and it's asking whether it is symmetric or not. Symmetric is different from identical. Okay, mirror image is different from identical. If it is like, if it is given like check whether the two trees are identical or not, then t1 star left will be compared with t2 star left. Okay, okay, but here it's not the case, so t1 star left will be compared with t2 star right. Okay, and also bool from l, okay, k, check t1 star left with t2 arrow. Okay, 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 so t1 star right with t2 left. Okay, so let's say like these are our okay, wait, so these are our t1, this is t1 and this is t2, so this is t2. Now t1 star left is this one. Okay, t2 star right is this one. Okay, you are comparing this and this and this with this. Okay, so this comparison should be very clear in your mind. Okay, so let's again analyze this thing. So this is t1 and this is t2. Okay, t1 arrow left is this one, t2 arrow right is this one. Okay, is this one. Okay, so t1 arrow left is compared with t2 arrow right, and t1 arrow right is compared with t2 arrow left. Okay, so this should be very very clear in your mind before proceeding into this problem. So okay, so now let's do this. Okay, so now, okay, so this is the case. Now what we should return is like, yeah, if both these are true, so so generally it would be, so return L and K, so that is what it means. So L and percent K, and of course if T1 data is not equal to T2 arrow data, then of course it's not symmetrical, so it's not symmetrical, so else return false. Okay, so we have analyzed all the four cases possible. Okay, I think this might work out. Okay, let's compile it. I'm not sure, so we'll wait for the results. So okay, it's like general basic thinking. So okay, now let's submit and see if we are getting any error or not. I think okay. So I think recursion won't work perfectly fine in the first attempt itself. So definitely I might get wrong. So I'm not very much sure about it. So let's, it's so this is, I mean, Okay, it's taking too much of time. Yeah, so this is correct. Okay, so what we have did, so let's recap. So we have checked if the given node is present or not. So in any basic tree problem we have to check this condition. So this is a basic condition. If root equal to null, then return true. Else check root left and root right. Okay, so if the root is present, so let's say if it is present, then check this one with this one. Okay, check the left subtree with the right subtree. Okay, so that's what it means. So when it means to like check root left and root right, it means like check the left subtree with the right one. Check the left subtree with the right subtree. Now, how does this check work out? So you're passing two node addresses. So if two node addresses are passed, then there are four possibilities. Okay, so t1 might be equal to, if both are null, then it's true. Okay, if one is not null and the other is not null, these two cases, then definitely it's false because it's not symmetric. If both are not equal to null, then if both are not equal to null and if both the data are same, then we check T1 star left with T2 star right and T1 star right with T2 star left and return L ampersand K. If both T1 and T2 are not null and T1 arrow data is not equal to T2 arrow data, then definitely will return false because like it's absolute, like it's obvious that those are not symmetric, so else return false. Okay, so this is working out. So that's all for this video. Thank you.